Miss Ella. Thank you for being my partner SDM for more than 10 years already. So I'm very grateful that you are my friend, my partner. Stay fabulous as always. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Miss Ella. Happy 60th. No, sorry. 50th only. Your passion and your fashion has always been your strength. Keep it up. I wish you good health. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Ella. It's been it's more than 17 agonizing years as my SDM. As my SDM. Enjoy your 50th birthday. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ella. This is Julius. Welcome on board on your 50th birthday. Enjoy and more life.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am Ella. Thank you for all the support, inspiration you give to the team. For being my good friend, my mentor, and manager. I wish you good health, happiness, and love on your birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ella. Thank you for all the love and support to our team. May you continue to be happy and good health. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ella. Stay beautiful, stay strong, and stay young. Good health.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ella. May this year bring you all the happiness and success you deserve. Stay beautiful and stay sexy. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Ella. I have something that I think I'll pick from everybody. Stay beautiful, stay fashionable, stay in demand, and be the queen Ella you are. Wishing you all the good luck, health, happiness, wisdom, some tears, some good food, some good travel. It's been an honor to work with you. Today is celebrating you. It's your birthday. And I think you have had 5 fabulous years of greatness. So wishing you another 50 years so that you agonize Edward even more. All the strength to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Don't forget the
And our gift to you is Edward packed in birthday gift wrapper.
Happy birthday, Ella. As you turn 50, I wish you good health, peace, joy, continuous success in your chosen career, and of course, long life filled with love with you 3 Poggies, Carl, Kimi, and Kurt. Not to mention, of course, is the unwavering love between you and your lovely dudes despite the distance. Have many more birthdays to come, Ella. God bless you always. Happy birthday!
To my best friend, to my fitness motivator, to my shopping buddy, and to my fellow foodie. Happiest 50th birthday to you, my dearest Ella. I just want to let you know that I am very lucky to have found you as my friend. Here's not to just celebrating this milestone with you, but to all the incredible moments we've shared together. Enjoy your day and hope to celebrate with you. Love you.
Happy birthday to my beautiful friend. I wish you good health and happiness always. Live life to the fullest and with a purpose. Appreciate every little blessing. Have a wonderful celebration out there. Welcome to the club. Happy birthday again, Ella.
Hi, Sanila. First of all, I would like to wish you a 50th blessed and victorious birthday. You are so much blessed by our Almighty God. Let me just speak of your life. I know that the plan of God is always the best. Always put trust in the Lord and everything you do. Jeremiah 29:11 says, For I know that the plan of I have for you, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Ella, happy 50th blessed birthday. Happy birthday, Ella!
Happy birthday, Ella. Enjoy your 50th birthday. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Ella. May your day be as special as you are.
Hi Ella, welcome to the fabulous 50s. It's like 40s but with more wisdom and better excuses for forgetting things. Right? Happy birthday, Ella!
Happy birthday!